Our future self will truly thank us of the good things we do today. This is Series 7, collection of multiple choice questions, Biology Quick Revision Series. This is Teacher Jeffrey. This is intended for revision. Include this in your daily study time table. Make it a habit. Take a paper, number it 1 to 5. Ready? And let us begin. Question number 1. The graph shows pressure changes in the left atrium and in the left ventricle during one heartbeat. Check the graph. What is the state of the valves in the heart at time x? So let us consider these two valves, the left atrioventricular valve or the bicuspid, and the semilunar valve in the aorta. Choice letter A. Both of them are closed. Choice letter B. The left atrioventricular valve is closed and the semilunar valve is open. Choice letter C. The left atrioventricular valve is open and the semilunar valve is closed. And last, letter D. Both left atrioventricular valve and the semilunar valve are open. Click pause, write your answer, and when you're ready to know the correct answer, click play. The hint in this question is the state of the valves in the left side of the heart at X. On X, the left ventricle shows a spike. It means the left ventricle is contracting. The semilunar valve is open to allow blood to flow to all parts of the body. The atrioventricular valve, on the other hand, is closed, thus preventing backflow of blood. So the best answer for this question is B. Question number 2. The graph shows changes in the blood pressure in the left ventricle of the heart. During which period is the left atrium contracting? Check the graph. Is it in A, B, C, or D? Click pause, write your answer, and when you're ready, click play. The hint in this question is it states left side of the heart. Atrium is contracting. So therefore, we must look at the spike. Because when it's spiked, it means it's contracting. And it means the line is going upwards. There are two spikes on this graph. A shorter spike and a longer spike. The shorter spike is in A and the longer spike is in B. The thickness of the muscles of the heart and its chambers will depend on the distance to where blood is to be pumped. The atria has thinner walls compared to the ventricles. Thus A will be the best answer. We are now in question number 3. The diagram shows cross-section of two blood vessels, P and Q. Look at the graph. On the left, that is P, and on the right, that is Q. What types of blood vessel are they? A. P is artery, Q is capillary. Letter B. P is artery and Q is vein. C. P is vein and Q is artery. And lastly, D. P is vein and Q is capillary. Click pause, write your answer, and once ready, check the correct answer, click play. The hint on this question is the diagram itself. Comparing the three vessels, artery, vein, and capillary, capillary must be 1 cell thick, so there is none in the choices. P has thicker wall than Q. The lumen, or the space of the blood to flow in P, is narrower compared to Q, which is wider. There is no difference in their endothelium, thus P is an artery and Q is a vein. The best answer for this question is B. Question number 4. The diagram shows the section of capillary. Which arrow represents tissue fluid formation? Is it letter A, from the inside of the capillary going out on its arterial end? Letter B, from the outside to the inside of the capillary in its arterial end? Is it C, from the inside to the outside of its venous end? Or letter D, from the outside to the inside on its venous end? Click pause, write your answer, and when you're ready to know the correct answer, click play. The hint in the formation of the tissue fluid is the blood flow. There is a need to locate the arterial end of the capillary and its venous end. Exchange of substances start at the arterial end. Thus, tissue fluid is formed in the arterial end. The best answer is A. The last question in this series is question number 5. Some factors associated with coronary heart disease are listed. Number 1, high blood pressure. Number 2, high intake of fruit and vegetables. Number 3, high intake of saturated fats. Number 4, low blood cholesterol. And number 5, low intake of processed food. Which factor decreases the risk of coronary heart disease? Is it A, 1, 2, and 3? Letter B, 1, 3, and 5? Letter C, 2, 3, and 4? And lastly, D, 2, 4, and 5? Click pause, write down your answer, and click play when you're ready to know the correct answer. The hint in this last question are factors that decreases the condition, which is your coronary heart disease. What should a person do in order to decrease such condition? So, first, consider lifestyle. Eat food that lowers cholesterol, like fruits and vegetables. Lower cholesterol lessen the possibility of having coronary heart disease. Thus, this person must avoid eating processed foods. So, these processed foods contains additives, coloring, and flavoring. The best answer in this question is letter D. This is Series 7 of our collection of multiple choice questions, Biology Quick Revision Series. Do not forget to click like and then subscribe. Click that subscribe button, share it to your friends, and keep this as part of your daily study time table. This is Teacher Jeffrey saying a goal without a plan is just a wish.